In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record income in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record a sale using a sales receipt so your books stay accurate and up to date. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. When you want to record income that you've already received, you won't create an invoice. Instead, you'll use a sales receipt. To do that, look towards the top of the screen for the button labeled New or Plus New. Go ahead and click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Sales Receipt. This tells QuickBooks that you've already been paid and you're just documenting the sale. Once the sales receipt form opens, the first thing to do is choose the customer. At the top, you'll see a customer drop-down. Click it and select the correct customer from your list. If the customer isn't in your system yet, you can add them as a new customer right from this screen. Having the correct customer attached helps you keep track of who bought what and makes future reporting a lot clearer. Next, you'll decide where the money is going by selecting the Deposit to account. This part is important for keeping your bank balances accurate. If you're holding onto cash or checks and plan to take them to the bank later, choose Undeposited Funds. Think of undeposited funds as a temporary holding area for money you have on hand but haven't physically deposited yet. If the payment is going directly into a bank account, like when you're recording a credit card sale that's already hit your bank, select the appropriate bank account from the drop-down instead. Taking a moment to choose this correctly will make your bank reconciliation much easier later. Now, fill in the sales information. Under the Product or Service section, choose the items you sold from your product list. QuickBooks will automatically pull in the rate, description, and income account associated with each item, but you can adjust the quantity, rate, or description if needed. Make sure the amounts match what you actually received from the customer. Then, specify the payment method. Use the Payment Method field to choose how you were paid, such as cash, check, or credit card. This helps you understand how your customers are paying you over time and can be useful for planning. Once everything looks correct, review the entire sales receipt one more time. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you want to record another income transaction right away.